Today we're here with Turkey Goodies by
Chocolate.
Hey y'all, today we're Are you gonna
say hey,
good?
Hey.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Oh. Hey y'all, we're back with another video and we're here with Turkey Goodies by 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽.
Sorry, but
Yeah. They sent us some Turkish treats from a different country. And I'm just gonna read what it says on the side.
What?
It says, "Welcome to Taste a Journey Through the Heart of Turkey. Our Turkish variety snack box is packed with delicious treats inspired by the rich culinary traditions of vibrant country." Overall, I like how it's packaged up. It's very cute.
so each box of these, if you order, they come with a variety of different Turkish snacks and goodies. These are perfect for family gatherings, office snacks, or study sessions. And they are available in 2 different boxes, which is on the go and all day lunch. So now we're gonna open this box, show y'all the goodies. Show y'all the goodies that we got.
Yeah, you ready?
Oh.
These come with ingredients and nutrition facts. These are all the goodies that's up in there. It's a top row and a bottom row.
And chocolate.
Yeah,
And
chocolate.
And this is the box. The snacks is in there. A bunch of stuff in there.
Huh?
So we just gonna get started and dig right in. So
Cocoa prints. Sorry if I mispronounced it, but we're gonna start off with the cocoa prints. I think that's how you pronounce it.
I don't eat those.
And yeah, it looks good by the package. And by the way, I'm not a chocolate person. I don't eat chocolate, but I am excited to try these, even though it's full of chocolate.
150 calories. If you're that person. So we're about to try these. Cairo, you gonna try it?
Yeah.
It's snacks from a different country, Turkey.
Chocolate. It smells good. It smells good.
Chocolate. Smell good?
Yeah, it does. Smell it. Smell good.
It's crunchy with chocolate in the middle. Eat it. Good? Yeah.
Are you gonna eat a piece? Let me try this one a little bit. Okay. I'm getting a small piece.
I'm getting... It's not bad.
It tastes like a Twix. It's actually good. Even though I don't like chocolate, I rate this like a 7 out of 10.
Oh.
It's not bad.
You like it? All right, this is Lupo bar cake. Let's open it.
It's milk chocolate coated bitter chocolate decorated cocoa cake with marshmallow. Y'all can see the marshmallow in the middle.
Yummy marshmallow.
So this is how it looks.
I like it's 2 bars. Or is it 1 big bar?
It's broken.
Oh. Well, I'm gonna break me a piece off.
Are you gonna get a piece?
Yeah. It's gonna be. Mama, it got on me.
This kind of tastes like a fudge bar.
What?
I don't really too much taste the marshmallow, but again, I'm not a chocolate fan, so I would give this like a 5 out of 10.
And you can tell that it's not like 100% dark chocolate, not milk, 100% milk chocolate. So the first one I didn't rate it. I would give it like Probably 8 out of 10. That one I would do like 6 out of 10. All right, Cara, you pick the next snack.
Wow. This is the bar my sister said looks like a Kit Kat.
Ditto is the name. Ditto. Ditto.
Ditto. Ditto.
Smells like a Kit Kat, and it really looks like a Kit Kat.
Yeah.
Cat, let me smell it.
It burns off like a Kit Kat.
You want a piece of mine?
Sorry.
It tastes like it got caramel in it. Caramel.
Caramel.
It's crunchy.
It tastes like a Kit Kat.
It's crunchy.
It tastes like a Kit Kat, but the chocolate is different. It's not the same chocolate.
Yeah, it's like a rich chocolate. Again, I'm not a chocolate person, so I rate this another 5 out of 10.
I give it like a 6 out of 10. Tastes like it had caramel. This is a cat tat.
And my tongue is getting brown.
It's a puff pastry with strawberry sauce.
Shoot, 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 little flash, shoot,
I'm not a
shoot.
huge fan of strawberries. I know you're probably like, she's very picky.
It's dry.
It smells like a fig, them
You can
fig
smell the
bars.
strawberry. This is like what it looks like. Wow.
No, 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽
I'm gonna have a lot of crumbs to sweep up.
Ah!
This is the texture and consistency. I don't even think that I got any pastry.
Maybe you have to bite into it.
Oh no, crumbs.
Are you gonna get
crumbs.
some?
No. I don't go.
It reminds me of a biscuit.
I'm gonna bite into it.
Mama, I don't eat those.
I definitely want to take some strawberry.
Yeah, it's right there.
Remind me of a biscuit.
Strawberry?
Like the bread part.
Good. Hello. Crumbs?
It's definitely giving pastry. But I don't like how loose the bread is.
That's actually not bad. I'll give it a 7 out of 10, considering the fact I don't like strawberry, but that wasn't bad. I'll give it a 7 out of 10, or 7.5 out of 10.
I do 5. We're gonna try these. These are some type of crackers. They look like goldfish.
They look like goldfish.
Goldfish.
Hi, goldfish.
When you end the video, you gonna see it do like that. Try
My
one.
lips.
It reminds me of something. I just don't know what it is.
They taste like, well, they are crackers, and it do taste like crackers.
But it tastes like goldfish.
It tastes like the crackers in the green box.
And the goldfish. And goldfish too.
It tastes like goldfish to you? It doesn't taste like goldfish.
These are crackers, and they actually do taste like crackers. It's these crackers that's in like a green box. When I tell her, she'll probably put up a picture to show y'all what I'm talking about.
I give it an 8 out of 10. It's not bad.
Yeah, I give it an 8.
It's kind of sweet. A little bit sweet. I ain't even gonna try to pronounce this.
It's called, I'm just gonna say, it's called 𝓓𝓲𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽.
But it kind of, it looked like, well, y'all know how them little pecan pies be made? They just ain't got no pecans. I don't like the smell.
Me either.
You can't even smell it.
Smell it. But we gonna try it. You getting the tiniest piece.
I was trying to.
I can't see.
I don't want this. I'm
Ow.
trying to get.
Ow.
But it's breaking, so I don't want. We already got a sweet.
It broke it.
It has some type of syrup in it, like.
I don't know. It smells like coconut to me.
Hey,
Mm.
I need
try to
more
show y'all.
burnt.
Like,
It's
I don't know if you
very
can see.
sticky.
Yeah. But it's these. Hey, it landed on me.
It tastes like orange.
Orange.
Oh wait, it's lemon.
But it tastes like orange, like it has some type of orange flavor in it.
Like an orange citrus. That's what it tastes like.
Yeah. You wanna try it?
Yeah, and it looks got
It's not bad.
sprinkles on it.
I give it a 7.5 out of 10.
I give it a 2 out of 10.
I got
I give it a
3
7.5
out
out
of
of 10.
10.
3 out of 10. Okay.
But I got 7 out of 10.
Which one? 7 or 3? You like it or you don't like it?
I like it.
So 7 out of 10. Okay. That's the
Yeah.
orange.
3 out of 10.
No.
I said 2.
I said 7.
I said 7.
All right, y'all. We have 4 more to go.
I want to try this one. It's a non-cat-tat. Non-cat-tat.
Looks like wafers.
They definitely do like wafers. They have a mixture. I think this is mint. I don't know what these 2 flavors are.
Huh?
I'm kind of scared. Like the mint ones. And then these 2.
Walnut maybe and.
We're just gonna try it. 2.5.
Cara, you wanna try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna try mine. And I was just gonna let them like this.
Oh, they're broken into little ones like this. So y'all know the little wafers. I'm gonna send it on. I'm gonna post a picture on it because that's what it looks like. Go up.
I don't like it.
I don't either.
I'll be like a 9 out of 10.
2.
3. What?
All right, Cara. This one looks like a Twix. Smells like a Twix.
Wait.
Looks like a Twix.
Oh. Mama, my tongue is getting brown.
You want to try this one?
Yes. Bye, part.
It got coconut in it.
Coconut?
It definitely has coconut in it.
What?
I don't taste the coconut. I taste chocolate and caramel.
Me too.
I think it's caramel in here. It's not bad.
No, it's not bad.
I'll give it a 5 out of 10.
40 out of 10.
You really like it?
We have the 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽.
La Viva. We have La Viva.
And we have 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓾𝓷𝓽.
Wow.
Go for it.
Wow.
I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I pronounced it wrong. Which one? So we're gonna try the go for it one.
Yummy.
Another wafer.
Alright.
I'm scared
What?
for this one. The last one.
What, Mama?
Nothing.
There's pure chocolate right there.
You love the camera, don't you?
And to record too.
I know.
I'm a Spidey and
I'm gonna bite it.
I'm a spin save. I'm a spin save Tracy. That's
Yeah.
Spidey. Yeah,
It tastes like-
might be fun.
It tastes like a chocolate wafer.
What?
I'm not a chocolate fan. I'll give this a 5 out of 10.
I got
It's not bad, but it's not the best to me.
20 out of 10.
You like it?
I'll do 10 out of 10. It's probably like the best one to me.
The best one to me, I probably like the goldfish.
Me
That would be second
too.
best.
Hello.
My second best would be the strawberry thingy, because it just crumbles.
Is that you?
The last one we're trying is the 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽. I think that's
La
how you pronounce it.
Viva.
I think that's how you
I
pronounce
can't
it.
see, Mama.
I'm scared for this one because this one is pure chocolate and, like I said, bitter.
Bitter chocolate.
Shoot, shoot, little flies. Mommy, the little flies after
That's
me.
fuzz or something.
Fuzz?
Mm-hmm.
Mama,
Alright.
shoot flies. Don't bother me. Shoot flies.
Ooh, I broke it like the inside. It is giving Milky Way.
Shoot flies. Don't bother me. Shoot flies. Don't. What?
You gonna try it? Look.
It's not bad. It's just chocolate on chocolate. Don't be a loser.
Flies.
Tell 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽 don't be a loser.
Don't be a loser.
Did you eat some? I'm scared.
I'm not.
I gave it a 7 out of 10.
I got 100 out of 10.
Mm-hmm. You really like it.
Slime. What? We got some on the couch.
Yeah, 𝓓𝓲𝓼𝓬𝓸𝓾𝓷𝓽.
0.
0.
I give it
Uh,
a 1 out of 10.
I got 1 out of 10 too.
You said 100.
Right.
Oh, I got 33 out of 10.
Okay, 33. So y'all, that was it for our tasting video.
Who's that by? Thank you, Turkish Goodies, for sending us Turkish snacks. We really enjoyed the snacks and trying new foods from across the country that is not in the U.S.
Right, it's great to try different types of food and snacks just to see what's out there, you know. And if anybody else wants to send us snacks to try, then my email address will be below. We really hope you guys appreciated this video.
Did you like the video?
Yes.
You like the snacks?
Yes.
Tell them how you
Kid
feel about
approved.
I like it and it was so yummy.
So yummy.
And my tongue is black and brown now.
From all those chocolate snacks, right?
I mean, this tongue is my tongue is brown. Like my mommy's skin.
Carol. Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.
See y'all later.
Bye-bye. Bye. So my name is Cara and the chocolate was so yummy. And that was so